Let us look at how to activate the Devcom 2000 software on your PC or laptop before using it to configure the BiT. The software comes with a trial period of 10 days for evaluating its features and application. Click on Start, All Programs, ProConsole, Devcom 2000. Here you will find the application. Click on the Devcom 2000 application. It opens up with two options to activate the software. You can either choose to purchase the license online, or activate Devcom using a product key. We have the license ID available with us, so go ahead and click on the second option to activate Devcom 2000 using an activation key. Here select to activate Devcom online. Next we need to enter the details of the license ID and a password. These details are provided by the ProConsole group. You can get in touch with a support representative to acquire the credentials. Click on Continue after typing in the password. Remember, this is an online process and requires internet connectivity on the laptop or workstation being used. The window will turn green indicating successful activation of the software. Now the software is ready to be used.